Since Halloween's coming up, I thought I'd show YouTube my costume because it's awesome. Here, hold on a second. Okay, I gotta stand up now. Yeah, okay, hold on. Getting the costume ready. I don't know if you can still hear me. If you can't, I'll put in subtitles. Okay, it's ready. Ooh, I'm scary, you know. I'm gonna put my computer on the table so you can see me. You know, my dog's getting real excited about this. He thinks it's a real bird or something. Look at him over there. JD. Okay. Thanks for watching.